Hi, good day, my brothers and sisters, home and abroad. Every, I greet everybody. It's me, your girl. I'm back. Um, I'm here to discuss something very important, something that has been going on social media. We have to give our own opinion. Things happen for a reason, and things happen for people to learn from. I'll be saying this thing in my own little way, the way I'm comfortable in, the way I will not make mistake, the way I will not make fool out of myself, the way I will not put past tense inside present tense. I won't be making fool out of myself. I'll be saying it in my second dialect, Pidgin English. It's my second dialect because it was originated from my own place. We're talking about change. Change is me and you. Change is carrying everybody along. Kudos to my brothers and sisters that know how to speak all this grammar, that know how to speak good English. I appreciate and I admire you all. If we're talking about change, we should be able to carry everybody along. We'll see they break our English small so that people like me wasted there outside will understand. Not be everybody they understand all this big grammar. Sometimes even a scatter some grammar. I would look for dictionary. What I want for look for the meaning. So we should try and enlighten everybody, carry everybody along. I want to talk about love, hate, consequence of wetin we dey do, repercussion of everything what we dey do wey we no know, how we take dey lock ourselves for inside bottle by ourselves. Now I wan talk about sometimes we dey take some things for granted. Some things go come more we learn from, but we'll be so blind we not go see them. I will try by all means make I not too dey emotional, because when I dey emotion I will I will come over spark, and I don't want me that kind side of me come out today. You got something where they go on now for social media, where everybody they talk about now. I don't too listen, I don't too want hear people opinion, but I not see where anybody come. Only one woman I see yesterday, I be day before yesterday, where even talk as a woman, as person wey get feeling, as somebody wey they put himself for person shoe before he talk. I not say other people not make sense. Everybody makes sense for where he or she from the see the situation. But before we they give conclusion or put matter for table, we fair reasoner, put our leg for that shoe as woman, and especially they talk to women now, as woman and as human being. Wetin they not will do you, not think say it good for another person. Everybody right for the way, for the point one for the scene, but make manner of approach matters a lot. If you calm down, talk something, it will be say you put your leg for that person's shoe, not just to reason because not be you it happen to. Always reason and say if now you it happen to. make we not be the judge wey go be say we judge matter finish, we come let the anger na person spirit wey dey vex, na person spirit wey dey, in fact I don't know the kind word wey I use for am. Because you fit judge some matter finish now, the grieving spirit, the person spirit wey dey grieve go come dey fight against you. No, not put you, not you. In my grandma say, ihere. Make we not dey carry something too far. Make we dey take am personal, because at the end of the day, everything wey dey happen, it affect us in one or two ways. Your problem now, if it be say na small, it take different from my problem. No woman for this planet Earth, as far as say you don dey date man, wey never experience wetin be heartbreak. I go fit tell you, bet my life on and say 90% of women, if not be 99, we don't experience heartbreak. So put yourself for people's shoe. Now this girl get belle for one man. He get belle for one man. For the same city, they did the same city. This man come comot, go marry his ex. Then as he go marry his ex, he come call the girl the next day, make the girl come, make him pay more for zero. My friend leave that one, they come back to that one. Men, I go take this thing so personal because it's too common. And if they pay me say women come to take and say na normal. Nothing normal about any shit. Nothing normal. Our men don't take we women like toy, like rubber, like person we not like something we not get feeling. And it is bad. Look everywhere around you. Hate, revenge, backstabbing. Why? Because women dey vex. Because of waiting men don't sow. Men, be very, very careful of what you do. Because whatever you do, you shall reap. Anything we man do, anything, man or woman, in fact, anything we wanna do for this life, una must reap am, because what goes round comes around. What goes around comes around. How you as a man, you say you be human being, you say you get feelings, you impregnate somebody, you know for the video, you even dey talk say you want make the pikin make it come out, you know full well say she is pregnant. You can't leave her, can't go marry another person. May you see us, some men take they destroy themselves, destroy their future because of 10 minutes enjoyment. Then you can't come out, can't go marry another person for the same city. You go marry. Then the next day, you can't call the girl, may she come, may you pay more for inside zero. See, make una take this thing. Anybody will see this video, take can put your leg for that shoe, because the shoe is available. They public now. Make everybody go to test that shoe. If you test that shoe, then you can come back, come talk how it do you, whether it hot or it sweet. Then you can't come out, can't call this girl, make she come. Me say you want pay more for zero. You not fear not catch you, nothing wave you for mind. Because women now shit for on her face. Because we women we not get feelings. We women we not get hearts. We women we not get blood where they run for our vein. We women are just machine wanna put for there. We want just they produce speaking for now. If una want male pikin, it's up to us make we give una male and we must give am to una. If una want female, it's up to us make we give am to una because we be machine, we don't get feelings, right? Some men are just like that. This it make me dey emotional because I dey take am personal. Now take women like say, like I know, in fact I don't know. Then this woman now come. But some men, una say una sharp, una say una get sense. Una not get sense. Because some person wey really get sense no go do that kind of say where you just do so. Now, person wey you marry, dey house, you even carry the champagne. I believe say you not even pay for those things. You carry the champagne, come make your ex come drink for inside. You can't do finish, you can't enter her. You can't enter that vampire spirit. You can't enter that I don't know, I want to talk as that spirit stay the verse. Fear not catch you at all. Something not wave you for mind at all. You can't enter. As you enter, you can't come out. The feast saying a blessing you carry come out. No, my guy, you carry heavy curse come out from her. Because she is angry. Her spirit the verse. She gather herself with that grieving mind, with that broken heart. She carry herself, can't carry give you. You can't really enter her. You want to go pay more for inside zero. You can't enter her. Everybody where they judge this matter, make una beg, mona they put una leg for that shoe because that shoe just they available everywhere. Make una put una leg for the shoe. Then you can't see after don't sleep with her finish. Then you can't. You dey expect your wife make him come. You dey tell her lie again. Say na person they come when you want give something. Then your wife can't come. You say me she go peace for under, me she not come peace for her. Person where you just married yesterday. How could you? How dare you? How dare you? You married yesterday. You can't sleep with another person today. They send you. Now by force. Ask men. They say you be traditional men. You not be traditional shit. Ask men where really be traditional men. Not be all those men where they feel say tradition. Now to just marry 10-50 wives. Now make a tradition. No, men where really know what it takes to be tradition. Ask them. They will tell you the ones where they cheat, where really know what it be tradition. Fear not they let them naked bath with their wife or their girlfriend. Because they know say they're not pure. They know say they be cheats. They know say they be cheats. They not go try am. Leave and not go gather them reach am. That is men who really know themselves, men who know tradition. And those same men, sorry to say I say they're stupid. Una know say e not good. Una know say e not good. Then una go still they go they hurt that woman. Una even they feel at all say women even they think, women even they cry. Una they think am. Una they think am at all. Una they think am at all. Something even una even they pinch una self. Una know how they hurt. Una they pinch una self. Una they pinch una self. Make una know how they hurt. Now see your wife. See how you say they lock yourself for inside bottle. Your wife spirit they verse. Your wife spirit way they verse. Now not be that kind of spirit way be say go just verse, you go just forget. No. Your wife spirit way they verse. Now those kind of beasts way they for her outside where they look for blood where they want suck. Those kind of vampires. When one person blood not the reach and suck for 1 hour. Not to talk of 1 day. She don't turn that woman to that kind of person where be say she they look for revenge. She don't want care who the person be. As far as in her mind, want revenge. Hateful everywhere. Everybody they revenge because of these so stupid men. Some of them, not be all of them. There are still good ones out there, but they're not reach 10%. They're not reach 10% because this thing they happen everywhere. But Africa continent is worse. Is worse. They only see women as nothing. But una forget, say everything una so una go reap am. Una forget say una go still born female children. And what una they do to women so person will do unto una. Person will do unto una children. Will you be happy say your children that they suffer being a man, being a woman, that they suffer for their home because of the sin where you do, because of the wicked heart, the greedy mind where you get? Some men don't do some women rich like that. Say they go come out for night, they not go know when they take insult them, insult their generation. Naked swear for not be only you, then you come carry that your miserable body, miserable condemned body, go meet another innocent woman. Then the woman will come need to the take those shits. The woman not go born now, they put on top of the woman say na she na cause she not born, she don't abort all the pikin where they are belly when she dey for young. When you not remember how many costs you don't chop for woman hand, how many costs you don't chop, you not remember. If you plant something today, you must chop am. It must give you pikin chop for future. Whatever you sow now, you must meet them for front. It will be so sad say you not even remember where the arrow from the come. All women the vex, all everywhere with the vex, with the vex. What is your problem? What una fit so na be? What una fit so na be for crying out loud? Then you can't see people come they judge this matter. Come they judge this matter. Not even they think, not even they feel, not even think of the pain where they don't go through for breaking of hearts. You will not fit tell me say you never passed through breaking of hearts. No, you not fit talking. As a woman, see, make we women more stop to the backstab each other because we know what to be the truth. Heartbreaks don't too much. Men don't do they treat us like trash. Men they treat us like rag. Ask any woman where you come across today, make that person tell you life story. You love life story, then you go bad. You go even say your own better. You will they say your own worse. You say your own better. Not be their fault. Not be the men's fault. Oh. Those African men, not be their fault. Now our parents, our forefathers, our grandmothers' fault, because now they put that mentality for the men head, say they can do anything to women. Men are king. They forget say without queen, king not they exist. Only this beautiful earth, look on a mother earth that they call her mother nature, not be father nature. Mother nature, now they call them, because if earth not be mother, not will give you food chop. For that simple reason, you're not supposed to respect woman. You're not supposed to respect woman. You're not supposed to respect women in general. You go see person, you say you love your mama, but you go reach as they beat your wife. You go reach as they beat your girlfriend. You say you love your pikin. You love your pikin so much. You go they beat their mama. Wait till you they plant. Wait till you they prove. Then our parents put them for their head, say they be king. They not they touch anything. They don't they do anything. Now the women, now they go enslave. Now go do everything for house. Now go cook. Now go wash papa clothes. Now go wash mama clothes. Now go wash her siblings' clothes. They go say that they prepare them for marriage. You know they prepare them for anything, my dear parents. So now they prepare them to be slave for men. Now they, just they do. You go see some family. I'm talking about Africa. You see some parents. You see some parents. They go say their first daughter. Their first daughter now a woman for that simple reason. She not go school because women education they end for kitchen. Then they'll come pamper the boy, teach the boy I go tell be king, I go tell the maltreat another person picking tomorrow, not knowing say that they teach him how to enslave women tomorrow. You go see our parents, they cry, they not see man picking, they not see man picking, they not see me child, they not see me child, they not see me child. Your female child not be picking. How you they make us the feel? Say we not welcome. They make us feel like this. How say me they treat us for outside. You go see that senior sister do everything for house. Then the papa can go join the ancestors. The papa can die tomorrow. The papa go join a spirit world. They'll come say because that senior daughter, where God no made mistake by birth, give her the seniority. Then you can see you might be the robber of her blessing, the robber of her rights. They'll say because saying a woman, no, you not deserve this thing. They'll go find the last born for the family, give her all the wealth, leave the women with nothing. leave them with nothing. They'll tell you say na tradition. Which kind of tradition be that one? Which kind of tradition want destroy? Which kind of tradition not the look person feelings? Which kind of tradition want blood still get blood? They want a human being blood. Because he go result to no, I not go agree. Now my right to now the same papa na born also. Why they go carry my right go give my last born? Then you can't see the sisters. They look for how they want to harm their brother now. How they want to kill their brother. How they want to soak the land with blood. Out of jealousy. Now waiting they say tradition don't cause. You go see man married 3 wives. You go see man married 3 wives. They'll say because the senior wife get only female children, the second wife get female children, the third wife come get male child, or the first wife last born come be male, this third wife first son na male. They'll give all the property to the first child, leaving the first and the second wife with nothing. For Europe, even though na pants now the family gets, now the papa and the mama get, they will sell them as they give Peter, so that they give Mary. As they give Sandra, now so that they give Is, because as they born Is, now so they born Gina. What it be all this nonsense now? Then you can't see our brothers. You can't see our brother because they don't did their head. So now them be king. Women not be anything. They can't carry, pursue their sister. If you know every time they'll pursue their mama join her, because they don't even they see their mama as mama. They see her as say now woman. They know they see her as mother. They see her as now her duty. Now she's supposed to born us. Now waiting God create them for to born us. They'll pursue the mama if they know everything. If the papa not take enough with that, you'll see the son will kill the papa, may become landlord. Which kind of tradition be that one? Which kind of tradition be that one? Then you can't see the women where they cry say the way they take they treat us is not good. We can't carry the mentality come Western world. They cry say we not get a male child. They cry say we not born boy. They find boy follow everywhere, so they will can't even born picking born teeth. What it be all this nonsense? Mistake what our parents make now see they make again. Men don't to get them for head. Say now so it's supposed to be. Man can marry more than 3 wives. Woman cannot. If woman dates 2 boys now, shall if man dates 100 now, no man. Which kind of stupid mentality be that one? Which can have to enslave women be this one? See all spirit they vex. These men where they do this thing, those women where they vex, they tears, they cry out cry. They lock those men as woman they cry. As anybody where you offend, if they grieve, he go they lock your blessing, because he they tie you for the darkest part of our hearts. She they tie you for one place where he be say, in fact you don't even know. Person where they put for physical prison, he better person they put for spiritual prison, because you the spiritual prison, you don't even know, you just the swagger they go. Which kind of life you they live? Which kind of life you they live? Only you. 5 women tie you. Just see this case of this man now. 2 women, see 2 force, see 2 angry spirits. We lock all you. We lock all you. Later you the wrong go church. Make God help you. God want to help you. He help no. In fact, you know they help anything, because that God, he they look everybody hearts. He they look everybody heart. You know they look you know they look tradition. You know they look tradition. They look what you do to your own fellow person. They look what you do. How dare you? For the same city. For the same city. You go see man, go they tell your girlfriend, go they tell your wife, if bet me, if I don't sleep with that your friend, you'll not say I not be man, not call me Andrew. They tell you man, they tell woman we love you that kind of thing for mouth. If she want go die, make she die. If she want go die, make she die. And this person not go fit do unto you. If you even say they greet the ex, you go talk with you and tell me, who the hell do you think you are? Which kind? In fact, man, not going to insult tradition. Now, yeah, tradition, because better tradition not will tell you like that. So now don't change all the tradition. Not what the tradition really talk. When I go deep inside tradition, tradition not talk anything like that. Now human being, now they hide under tradition. Let's be realistic here. You know what? In my dialects, If you see chicken, man, call it chicken, don't call it chicken. It's either ohoho or no ohoho. It's either chicken or no chicken. Let's stop this madness. Make human being, as people human being, they hide for back of technology. Now so that they hide for back for under tradition, for under religion. Which kind of nonsense be all this one? Which kind life be this? Which kind of life be this? Where we not they pinch ourselves, they feel the pain where other people they feel. My one song they talk say Yahweh bege, Yahweh bege, Yahweh bege domeo, onona na yabu yenedo. Iwenu wagele Yahweh bege, onona yabu yenedo. Iwenu wagawe nyese Roma, wagawe nyese onwageria bevo boisa. You people should be very, very careful. Be very, very careful what you do. Be very, very careful of what you do, because whatever you sow shall you reap. You they see many people they talk say they're good though, they don't know why bad things they happen to them. Think of what you do yesterday. Think of the bad what you do yesterday. Think of who you offend. You go see some people they lock their blessing by themselves, don't even know where from they come. You want to go make peace. I felt to kind of say I don't want to be emotional because it hurts, it pains. It pains when you see, just if you don't ever get heartbreak, if man don't ever treat you wrongly, you go ask, go cry, go wet your pillow. Then you put yourself in those two. I know they talk of one. Put yourself in their shoes. Those two women. The one where just do marriage today, where the marriage break, and the one where man live for house. Una not quarrel. He not tell you say you want do marriage. Una not be say una break up. Go do marriage for your own city. Then the next day after the marriage, he call you, make you come, make him pay 140. Put your leg for that shoe. Put your leg for that shoe before you make any judgment, before you make any statement, before you pass any judgment. We should be realistic here. We should always learn from other people's mistake. We should always learn. You know, not talk say because say you did sweet relationship today, now say go be forever. Remember, people feel put on other people face, other people character for years. The time where you come to realize when that scale will take come up for you, you know say man, person where you marry, not being you, not be waiting, it show you when it be boy, not being you marry again. Be very careful. Be very careful. Everybody they vex. Everybody they vex. And everybody is being careful. Everybody is being careful. We don't know who be who again. We don't know who be who again. Our men don't do osote. Our men don't do osote. In fact, you go want just kill yourself. Just imagine that spirit. Imagine that spirit as it verse. Imagine the spirit as it verse. Everybody they no. In fact, I don't know as I want to talk Communication. We know they communicate. We not feel add drama for your head. If you are asking of information, ask the person. Make sure you now so people when they investigate they do. Not listening to this one say that one say your opinion might be different from mine. Now make everybody get the different head. You not feel hear from person who hates me. Maybe you just carry that one they go say you don't hear from the reliable source. Reliable source na person where something happen to. Just imagine those two women. Just imagine as they don't turn beasts. As they don't feel trust any man again. Una even they think am at all. Say they not will trust any man again. They go even meet good man because of the pain where they don't get or they protect themselves. They hurt that innocent man who come their place. And that innocent man will constantly say they hurt them. Break up with the relationship, he heart go break, then he go come out, go still look for another woman when he wants to break his heart. Revenge. I beg, I use God. Anything where anybody they serve, say beg. If we see ohoho, more call out ohoho. More not they try call am ororo. More not they try call am ororo. You see people want go judge matter. They say na peace. Now they want. They go know where the truth from they come. You go even they cry. Tell them. See what happen. See how this thing happen. See what he do to me where they pay me. Go say no. Because say you be the small one. Because say make peace reign. Which kind of peace you define now? Which kind of peacemaker you be? You want make peace reign? Make that person where they offend me go beg the person where offend them. That one a good waiting. That one a good Samaritan and be bad Samaritan. The person will look you, go cry. Hot tears go come out for your eye. The show come out, go beg that person. If you go beg that person you can say, in it down, they beg the person, say, I beg, forgive me for offending me. And that person's spirit will be very happy. Then you can see the person where do this thing. You say, before I forgive you, go buy me gifts. Only that years where they come out for that person, God will carry on. Join your own God. They fight you. They fight you. People don't come out for night naked because of things where people do them. Because of what men in particular do them. Swear for this man. Swear for this man. If you don't even take time, swear for the family, the generation, we never even come life, the picking children, we never even come life. It is easy to say bad what my papa, mama do, no go affect me. You don't know the kind of spirit that person they carry to go. You don't know the first swear for your papa, swear for your mama. It will take the grace of God. When you choose love, the thing will happen to you. When you start to do bad, the fact it will even turn to 10. It will turn to 10. We should be very careful. Give love to people. Even if say they pay you back with evil, you give them love, they pay you back with evil. Let God of love fight for you. Still they give love until you meet love, because there is love. Love day. The God where they fight for the cowless, the tailless cow. God where they fight for cow where not get it. He must fight for love. He must fight for those good people. He must fight. Now before they talk, say as you reach, now so your winch reach. He passed like that. He passed like that because if that person right, his small winch will go join all those big winch. They fight you. If you don't even take time, they go join your own spirit, fight you. Where you want go? You not even know what they worry you. You not gonna know what they worry you. We should be very careful of what we do. We should be very, very careful because many people's spirits they vex. Waiting with they tell people don't use them to go kill themselves. We don't know, and we just the waka they go. You don't even know say you they carry person blood for your head. We should be very, very careful. You don't tell person. You don't use person predict government tell laugh am. You don't you just talk am because say you the vex. You just talk am. You don't know say the person won't go hang himself, go take drugs, go die. You just the waka they go, but not knowing say you don't kill somebody. We should be very careful of what we say. My grandma say, because if you the person's spirit might be reacting. You know what even know. That is why sometimes if you sleep, you go dream see people where you never ever meet for your life before. Yes, because in the spiritual realm, all of us connect. All of us they see for the spiritual realm. Only say we are so blind, say we not understand. Sometimes you don't even know anybody. You never seen them before. You see them for your dream. If you walk out for road, you see the person. You kind of wonder, I where for know this person. You don't know one before. Now your dream before seeing you don't parry for spiritual realm. You don't know. Everybody is connects. Everybody connects in one or two ways where we don't know. We should be very careful. We should be very, very careful of what we do. Before you do anything, always put yourself in that position. Always put yourself for that shoe. Then our men, African men in particular, African men, you people should be very careful so that your children will not reap from the evil that you have sowed. so that your children, your innocent children, your innocent kids shouldn't reap from it. How will you feel when your children, they suffer for their home? How will you feel? And you, they train other children to be like you without even knowing. Bible says my people perish for lack of knowledge. This is the knowledge they're talking about. You, they do something and you, they feel, say you, they do person. You, they do yourself by yourself, and you, they destroy your family. Because your made children go copy from their papa, because their papa na king, their papa they cheat, their papa they beat their mama, their papa they use their mama like rag. To the kids na normal. Because now the parents be the first role model of the children. They will copy from it and do the same thing to other people's children tomorrow. Una will be parents, we will be parents. We know they ever call our children, we will tell them the story of our mistake, so that they do not make the mistake again. Instead, we they teach them the more. We they teach them how to pollute the world. We they teach them. You see our female children, you see our female children, they suffer, they die inside. They don't fit talk. You see that they die. You see all of them. You see our parents, they praise the male children. We see they repeat the same thing all over. All over. You go see papa, they beat mama for where children they. To the child, it is normal to beat women. You go see pikin, you see mama, they beat papa. To the children, it is normal for woman to beat her husband. You go see man never kiss his wife for where the children they. Wait till they teach your children. Now say it is not right to kiss. Your pikin never for once see papa that gift can't give him mama for house once. You go see women, you go say their husband the verse, daddy the verse. I not go even try go meet am today. I beg you, they deceive yourself. Just as I look so, pack your property and leave that fucking house. That will not be husband house. How your husband with the verse? You go say you not fit calm and down. You not fit go where he dey. If you not calm and down, want calm and down. Mistress for outside. Who are you? Are you the wife or the mistress? What is wrong with us? What is the worry us? Why would they pretend say we love when we not love? Why? Why? Our children, they suffer all the mistakes we make where we not even know, where we not even they even notice, where we not they see, because we not they talk to each other. Our children will come from outside, may they can't tell you the kind of thing we man doing for outside. If not, now where the parents now go mock them. Now go mock them. You go just see papa just steer mama slap boy for where children they. What do you do? You not quick can't give her water make to wash hand. But men, you people should be very careful of what you do. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. I beg you in the name of whatever you believe. Be very careful, because as you people need love, now so we women need love. Now so we need love. As we need respect, now so we need respect, because it's supposed to be 50-50. If they see king, they must see queen. They must see queen. So no one can not just the look say because of what they don't put for on our head. Say now so it's supposed to be. Una still reason if they do that kind of thing to our children, whether una will like them. If our children can't cry me to una for house, say see waiting their boyfriend or their husband they do then. If you can take the pain as a parent, then you will know what you would do to other people's children. Not be sharpness, now stupidity na I call them. Stupidity na I call them. You know, we say you sharp, say you they cheat. You they cheat around. You they sleep with different women. They break these friend women hearts. And we women, we go they fight ourselves. We they fight ourselves. They kill ourselves because we see another girl for our guy house. See. I just pray one day make I see some girls they fight. They will say now because of boy now they fight. The kind king will take flog una that una not go believe. God go see you now that day. He go pity you now. Man will truly love you. Will he cheat on you? He go even reason now. Say he want cheat on you. He not go reason now. He not go think because to him now you be everything. You don't need to fight no shit. If I be you, I go greet the woman well, because you don't know where you want to meet that woman tomorrow. You don't know the position where that person go there tomorrow will help you, because of one man who will not respect you, who will not value you. You will make enemy with her. You know the see and say now waiting in one thing cause between women. You know the see You go even the fight, the man go fold hand, they not go even hold now. He not go hold now. If you not take time, the new racket, you go hold on where go beat the old racket. Make them impress the new rackets. Boof. All of them are jegge. Love not there. Love not there. You don't need to beat any woman for another woman if you truly love her. You know they be your slave. What did they be to you? Eh? After you come go they carry for mommy is good, mommy I love you, mommy I miss you, mommy you are the best. You they insult womanhood, automatically indirectly insult your mother. Now waiting some men don't know. I'm so angry because these things they go on in 21st century. Men never still know the value of women. The men never still know say they need to give women the maximum respect where we deserve, because we they give them waiting they deserve. They go even want to live their own life inside our life. They tell us waiting we go do, waiting we not go do with our body. Then you go see some set of men, they go tell you say, if you love me, you don't need to use protection for me. And if you use protection, me say you not take me serious, then you not use protection. The girl can't get belly. You can't say no, you don't need the baby. You must need that, my dear. You're constantly bitter on top. Hey God, we don't suffer. You're constantly bitter on top of waiting you need. You go beat and put the girl go come out, one go come out the belly anywhere, Africa, Europe. If you there for Europe, maybe the person not get document. They can't go need to go take illegal drug. They can't eat some. Then now they can't rush her go hospital. They need to come out her womb. They save her life. Or Africa, they not even get money for Africa. They go not say that they impregnate you. They not go give you one dime. They go do abortion. They not go give you one dime. Ask me where they say me you foresee the money. Ask me where they say me you foresee the money. Now you can't go also go thief your mama money, thief everything, take go buy concussion, come drink am. Now your family will come rush you go hospital. They need to come out your womb. They save your life. That stupid boy come tomorrow say you don't marry. He not go fit marry you. You know see say that your own God, that woman God and that man God go join together fight the man. Now you see some men that will miserable. They come to look for the old woman, old fat, old papa, where they their family, where they want to put their miserable self for a body, where they want to start to the blame, saying I cause some way they're not better, without remembering what they do yesterday. The only way life will fit better for those kind of people. Now, when they realize, they quit think back who they don't offend, who is spirit, they pray for them every day, who they look mirror, they regret why God creates them. Go beg, go marry those people. Then themselves go remember. Then themselves not go born. They'll go gather, go adopt speaking. Then that woman will sincerely forgive you. Say no. If you don't do that kind of thing, see, you don't get one robo, you don't get one prophet, you don't get one pastor, you don't get one native doctor. We go feel wash that curse come up for your body. You don't get one thing where you go feel do where you will meet favor. You don't get. Sometimes we just need to realize. We just need to remember those people who don't offend. So that if those people feel forgive you sincerely, you will see. Say you don't need one prophet. You'll see say you don't need one prophet. Make it come to pray for you. You'll see say you don't need one native doctor. We go do medicine call for you. Just imagine that kind of person. We not go born again. The kind of place where you go lock you. Not pray me you dey where women where life don't tire day. Not pray me you dey where women where they vex day. Not pray me you dey where women where no one we not get joy again. If they cost today, you go dey fear. If you carry picking for belly, you quick hold and make their cost not go affect them. Those kind of women, just imagine the kind of space where they put those kind of men, and those men now somebody husband tomorrow. Later the guy tell me, they pray for you. What you they pray for your way? What you they pray for your way? Those women will be so angry. Women can build you at the same time they can pull you down. They will pull you down. They will pull you down. They don't care what it take. They don't care. See, some people they too push person to they too, especially women. Men get strong mind too, but women not try them. Not try women. Women. If Mother Earth vex, If Mother Earth your verse now, it just say make crops not grow again. You know, she say we don't die. Everybody will die. If all the female animal just verse say they not go born again, we not go see meat chop again. If anything, if all the fruits, all the female fruits die now, they not produce again, everybody will die. If anything we don't they give way to the chop, now female, now woman, if the verse, you know, this everybody don't die now, so it be. If human being, we women verse, you not go one like them. You not go one like them. You go see some men, women go say okay because of say their good hearts. Make the join money together. I go call them stupid and foolishness. They'll go also money, go take any risk at all, just to make their fucking hearts, they jolly, make they sweet. They'll go sleep with other men, bring money, give these men, make they take do better thing, because for our local mind, they put on say, now man, now be the head of the house. Now man, now supposed to get everything. What is stop you woman to be independent? What is stop you woman to be creative? What is stop you woman to establish? Waiting. What is stop you? They will go carry the money, go give this man where sit down on. Our parents, why they talk, they call us now, they don't spoil them. They don't want to do anything. They just sit down. They just sit down, they don't do anything. They don't put them for their head saying a woman supposed to do everything for them. Okay, now they'll come, the woman come give them the money. After they give them the money finish, they don't do anything. They don't do anything else apart from importer and exploiter. Importer and exploiter. Now that they do. They don't learn now. They don't know because they all hear. Say that guy, Jennifer husband, they carry container. Now that one they want bush now. They're not studying. They don't even know the details. They don't know the inner arts. Because the name sexy, what do you do for a living? I'm an importer and exporter. The name sexy die. Go start importer and exporter. Before some months they don't pack enter house. If they don't even take time to pack every other thing we near them, pack can enter house. The problem and everything pack can enter house. Before they even pack enter house, you can't see they'll come they get pot belly, come they get whether a complimentary card they call them, come they get and come they share them for women, for women to tell say man they basky. Come they carry different women, we get different shape, we get kenunya, we get W shape, we get V boot shape. Come they now know say that their women will follow them plan, their woman will follow them plan, until we even go suffer, bring that money, not get brain again. You not a bit think again, not go school, you not find rich, you not tall rich, you not. You see as they take the lock themselves, then that woman don't invest, that woman no 1 year again, that woman in fact if they sleep, if they dream saying they cost the man. Then you're causing me life better for that kind of person. You say me life better for that kind of person. I will leave this case here. I hope I've been able to argue the fact that women deserve what men deserve. Women deserve the same rights, the same love, the same respect that men demands. We want it to. That men deserve. We want it to. We want them. It is what you give out that you receive. When you give out love, you must receive love. When you give out hate, it is hate you will receive. When you give out anger, it is anger you will receive. If you give out two-face, it is two-face you will receive. There's no two ways about it. You must get on the way you take give them out. You must get on like that. You not forgive out love, maybe they expect evil. You not forgive out evil, maybe they expect love, because you know if plant corn, maybe they expect yam. Now what you plant, now they go, now mother nature will give you. Anything where you give out, now it will give you. You know they make partial, there's no two ways about it. Anything where you give out, that one now you will receive. I'll leave this case here, and I hope I'll be able to make my point. This is the massive truth. Give your own opinion. Thank you very much for the time. Till the next video. One love.